Hey, good morning. This is Arlen Donaldson, and I'm back again, back and better. And I'm here right now in Sherman, Texas. I'll tour you around. This property is for sale, and for now, I'll just tour you to the neighborhood. So it's kind of nice. Mostly it's a new constructions in this area. What we call this one is a cottage home design, and this is the house. So let's go. If you are looking to buy a house in this area or in North Dallas, Texas, give me a call and I will guide you and tour you around. But come on, let's get in. Right? I like the flooring and openness, and look at the, you can turn on the lights. Look at the ceiling. I like the beam, high ceiling. And let's go in the kitchen. What's going on here? They have a blue just the blue one, and granite countertop, beautiful farm sink, and nice cabinet. So what they do, see, it's kind of nice. Look at the knobs. It's just like a double. And then they have a gas, and it's kind of nice, super clean looking. And that's your refrigerator area here. Then from here, you need to, I'm looking for the lights. Here. Oh, where's the lights? Oh, see, it's nice now. So like it's pretty, and look, just like that. And let's go to for $335 only. This is the master. That's the master. It's super neat, super clean looking, right? And dual sink and a nice shower. And look at the backyard. That's the backyard. It's not big. It's not small too. Just enough for. Oh, look at this one. I like it. See, very straightforward. And the HOA of this one, it's only like $13 a month, so it's not bad, right? So look, farm style. So if you are still looking for the house here in this area, North Dallas, Texas, I love to guide you with your buying process here. And also, if you are thinking to sell your house, right now is the best time to sell before the school is, is coming in August. So give me a call, 214-690-1233, and love to guide you with your real estate questions or needs. And bye for now. Have a great one.